When it comes to maintenance, you have to definitely look at your water heater. That's the one thing that a lot of investors, property management companies, facility management companies tend to forget. You need to flush the water heaters. I'll tell you why, because California has hard water. Therefore, it's always recommended that you flush it at least once a year. If you see that it's there corrosion or calcium on some of the fittings, some of the pipes, you definitely want to go ahead and take advantage. Call a plumber. Let us know. We'll inspect the unit and see how old they are. Nowadays, just so you know, that's one of the reasons why people have a lot of leaks. You also want to look at the fittings. If you don't see a lot of pressure in your house, or you notice the pressure's a little low, sometimes there's sediment in the lines that are going into the fittings and then also fixtures. So you have to remove the aerator, remove the sediment, or it's time to replace. The benefit about that is because you already have a plumber you can trust, right? So you definitely want to make sure that your property doesn't have any incurred costs like water damage, leaks, gas leaks. So that's why it's always good to give us a call here and there, once at least every 6 months or a year, so we can go look at your house, look at all the fixtures, and give you a full scope of work report. And what needs updating. That's the things that people forget. It's kind of like a car. When you drive your vehicle, you need to do regular maintenance on the vehicle. The same thing. So for your house, you have to look at all that too, especially because California has hard water. It can damage a lot of the fixtures, and that's what people don't understand.